What the heck is big idea copywriting? What makes big idea copywriting different than just copywriting? It's a fair enough question. A big idea copywriting is copywriting that introduces the reader, the prospect, the audience to a new idea, a novel idea, something that they can grab onto as, hey, this is something that is new and interesting to me. And because it's new and novel, what it does is it grabs their attention in a way that just another ad does not. And so if your ad is like, I don't know why I always go back to getting a new roof on your house, but it's a high ticket sale, but it's also a very common sale, and there are a ton of different roofing options in every single market. And so just an ad that says something like, hey, we can replace your roof, free quote, great prices, responsible, work people, whatever. Like, sure, that's a nice enough roofing ad. And frankly, most people will just look at, because all roofing ads are fundamentally the same. They're just going to look at that and they're going to say, this company has a good reputation, or this company is somebody I recognize, or this company has a big ad, or I like the picture in this company's ad. And it doesn't really make a difference because the ad isn't saying anything. It's just saying, like, we do roofs. It's a business card turned into an ad, which is all that it is. An alternative, like what would actually be a big idea for a roofing ad? A big idea for a roofing ad would be, your roof can make you money. Your house's roof can make you money. And it could be an ad for the new Tesla roof. Maybe there's a local roofing contractor that has a contract for installing the Tesla roofs or something like that. And it could be, we will help you purchase and install a Tesla roof. It's slightly more expensive in the beginning, but based on our city, based on our location, it's highly likely that the roof will have paid for itself within the first 12 years. And from year 13 on, it's actually going to be making you money, as well as powering your house. And not only that, the roof is actually guaranteed for a 50-year life. And so this roof stands to make you money for 38 years after paying for itself within the first 12. And that is a huge distinction in terms of getting a new roof. And I just made up all those stats, so don't go quoting me on this. But it's a huge distinction to like introduce this new idea into this boring industry of putting new shingles on a roof, right? That's a big idea. That's the type of copywriting that involves big ideas. Car ads. Car ads could be, it has this much horsepower, it has these features, it has all of this. But very famously in, I think it was the 1960s, Volkswagen came out with an ad that David Ogilvy was involved with that was think small. And in a world of big cars, it was a small car presented small, surrounded by a lot of white space on the page. Think small for a small car was big idea copywriting. There, within the direct response world, big idea copywriting has become the norm because especially in competitive industries and competitive niches, just making the same promise that everybody else has made will not allow you to stand out. And so if you do want to stand out in the direct response space, oftentimes what you have to do is you have to find that next new exciting idea. You have to combine ideas. You have to find some new discovery, some new mechanism, some new reason why what they're doing hasn't worked up until this point, or introduce the problem in more of an urgent way to give them a new understanding of like why the problem is so urgent, or present an opportunity that feels 10 times better than whatever opportunity they've pursued up until this point, or make a prediction of something that is going to be coming true in an imminent way, and that is going to either create a problem or create an opportunity for the prospect. And so something like some, change in stocks or something like that is a common way to find those predictions. So big idea copywriting, again, it's about introducing your prospect to something, to an idea where they say, I've never seen this before. Oh, I'm interested in at least learning more. And the copywriting then oftentimes is not necessarily about selling the product, at least not in the beginning. In the beginning, the copywriting is about selling the idea. It's about presenting this idea in this compelling, interesting way that demands attention and that demands action. Like once you understand the idea, it should have a natural compelling power to drive the audience, to drive the prospect to want to take action. If it's a problem, they're going to want to solve it. If it's an opportunity, they're going to want to seize it. If it's a prediction, they're going to want to dictate their response before that prediction comes true. And when you can do that well, that is the essence of being a great big idea copywriter. And those copywriters are, in the direct response world, certainly the highest paid copywriters in the business. In the brand world, I think that copywriters that can truly introduce a big idea and wrap the brand or the product in a new big idea, like that's positioning, that's branding, whatever. But those copywriters are also the ones that are the best paid. Now, I do have a program. As I was talking about big idea types, I did talk about the urgent problem and the 10x opportunity and the imminent prediction. And those are the three major big idea types that I have identified. And I actually have a program called High Velocity Copywriting that talks about how, like, essentially like chunk by chunk of copy, how to create sales letters, VSLs, landing pages that actually present that big idea, and then walk the prospect through the path of attention, interest, desire, and action in the form of responding to the offer that you make in the copy. So I'll include a link in the description to my High Velocity Copywriting program. It's part of the BTMS Insiders members training library, and so I encourage you to check that out. I don't know, what did you think about this lesson, about that approach to big idea copywriting? Leave a comment below. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, how much value did you get out of this and why? Like, what was your biggest takeaway? What's your action item? What's your new perspective on big idea copywriting? Also, click that like button before you go so you get more content like this delivered to you. Also, so the magical algorithms of the internet know to share it with more people like you who would find it valuable. You can also share it with people directly in your world who might find it valuable, and subscribe before you go. You can subscribe here. Also go to breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com. Get my daily emails Monday through Friday, including these videos, plus more exclusive free content for email subscribers only. My name is Roy Furr. This has been a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Again, I encourage you to check out the links in the description. And thanks for watching. I look forward to delivering more value. I always aim for 10 out of 10. Hopefully I deliver that here. I look forward to delivering more value for you in the next video issue. I'll see you soon. Bye.